Welcome to AnIdeaz Media International Pvt Limited, the smart world of print and digital education. The most innovative and decade-old brand, AnIdeaz Media International Pvt Limited is well known in India and worldwide for providing complete educational solutions in many different languages. Our team has dedicated, experienced and creative illustrators, manual and digital coloring artists, designers, animators, authors, editors, software developers, voiceover artists and models. One-stop solution for all your print and digital media needs. Book designing, content writing, translation, illustrations, storyboarding, digital coloring, graphic designing, printing, voiceovers, jingles, video shoot, activity shoot, AR apps, Android apps, test generator, 2D, 3D animation, eBooks, flipbooks, educational video games. We are one of the favorites of publishers, teachers, educators and facilitators because in our books we cover tons of subjects from across their curriculums. Through a wide variety of academic books and general books that focus on child development right from birth to their teenage, AnIdeaz is educating and leading the next generation by providing the best quality learning material. We have created our books fully keeping in mind the requirements of the learners, the latest high-tech education structure and the trends that make the learning process easier and interesting. All the books we create are available with both online and offline study material. Here at AnIdeaz, all the books are made subject-specific and also accompanied by the teacher manual and easy-to-understand comprehensive lesson plans, activities and additional graded worksheets to fulfill the learning needs of young minds. To help and support teachers in making learning tranquil, we provide them with the easy-to-use online test generators to create question papers and worksheets in a few seconds. With the expertise in each and every aspect of publishing, which follows the modern times high-tech education system, we at AnIdeaz provide you the digital content in a wide range of interactive media to choose from. Our digital content range includes best quality 2D and 3D animation to make learning fun for children with our animated stories, lessons and educational videos. To make learning easy and fun and make kids understand complex things in an easy way, we also provide live interactive videos for kids of all ages. Our wide range of art and craft books and videos teach children how to make craft projects on their own with easy step-by-step demonstration. Our educational lessons and stories are followed by interactive games, quizzes and activities to ensure extended and multi-dimensional learning for your children. Our interactive touch books are ideal for young folks and growing children. They are packed with amazing visuals and sounds, and children would love to interact with the characters of the story, which are sure to leave a mesmerizing and creative impact on their minds. We make learning fun with augmented reality apps. Looking at the physical book through the app, children can travel and explore the inspiring world full of life. Many of our books are also supported with virtual reality to reinforce learning for different kinds of learners. We've also got a bunch of mobile learning apps so you can use our resources in schools, at home or on the go. The interactive media we provide includes software material that supports the digital boards or smart classes used in schools. AnIdeaz also has multiple educational YouTube channels. We have our own studio for audio and video recordings with some of the best and multilingual voiceover artists and models to make finest digital content. Let's join hands to make a better future for all.